Now, what tree is this? Come near me. Don't fear me. What tree is this?
Okay, this is Celtis africana. It's called white stinkwood. And
It's a stinkwood.
Yes, it's a stinkwood. Yes. So it grows very well in the city of Johannesburg.
Yes.
It's used for domestic gardening, parks and street trees. And this requires low maintenance, and it's an indigenous tree. It's deciduous, and then it also leaves during winter season.
It loses them.
Yeah, the leaves during
And then
winter
they
season.
grow up again.
Yeah, it goes up to 12 meters high, and then the crown spread up to 13 meters wide.
Calm.
Yes.
30 meters.
Up high, yes.
Very good.
Yes, and it's used for pulmonary respiratory diseases, and then the back you can use it for your feet, and then the headache.
Don't say too much.
I'm a horticulturist.
I know my people. They'll come and sleep.
Okay, all right, yeah, no, that's what we use it for.
How old is this tree?
You know, this one is 6 years old. We propagate it ourselves as city parks from the nursery.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do they call you?
I'm a regional manager.
No, but professional.
Oh, I'm a senior horticulturist by profession.
Wow.
Yes.
Girl. Very good.
Thank
Where
you.
did you train?
In TUT, I'm studying my master's now with horticulture right now
I
at
will.
UNISA.
A master's.
Yes,
In
about
these
the
trees?
About the trees. I'm investigating hazardous trees in the city of Johannesburg. Trees that are falling on top of people's sheds, people's houses, people's cars. Those are hazardous trees in the city of Johannesburg.